welcome back to the Mix Lovelies and friends and all the mix we have, Lady V. Now, Lady V came out to speak on a situation, that is currently going on. She's saying that basically 13 had sent a message to her that she needs to come out and speak on the behalf of someone. However, Lady V is having an issue with that as she remembered that in the past, when her child was dragged out on social media, those persons were a part of it. And she's saying that they knew about it, allegedly, and they did nothing. They sat and they continued with the person that was doing it, and they said nothing to the person. So she said she's not helping them. This is their bad. So basically, they have to do that on their own because when she had her problem, they weren't there to help her. They didn't support her. They stayed on the side of the person that was sending the blow to her and her daughter. And in this, even though 13 is saying that it's forgiveness, Lady V does have a point as well. She needs to stand alone. She doesn't really have to go and support other people if that's not what she wants to do. It doesn't mean that she didn't forgive. In my opinion, I don't know about anyone else's opinion. It doesn't mean that she didn't forgive. But even if she didn't forgive, that's on her as well. But she doesn't really have to stand up if she doesn't want to. She said that she's been called out and she doesn't feel the need to do that, to speak on anybody's behalf, because her daughter was dragged through the mud and it affected her and her daughter in a tremendous way. So, guys, you have to go ahead and hear what she had to say to 13 because she had strong words to say to 13, although she said that it does not mean that she is going up against 13. She's just letting her know how she feels. And she's also, throwing out words for those people, the people that stood with the other lady that bashed her and her daughter earlier last year. So go ahead and catch the video, like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as I said, always, we all have our opinions. So go ahead in the comment section, leave your opinion as to how you feel about the situation. And remember, we're not one-sided over here. We allow everyone to make their own comments, just be respectful and have yourselves, guys, a wonderful day.
Me go talk exactly how me feel, right? But me no want to say how me feel and then play it, but me go play it. This is unusual for me. Because normally I never ever play the message that anybody... Oh. So, when I went on her live and I said what I said, she had her own reaction and this is what I said to her.
Something, right? Me and nobody pitney me. Hey, 13, let me tell you something, right? Me and nobody pitney me a big woman. But come for your life and I regret some I come comment there because you know I come try to go on like you want to tell me say to defend a cause when me no feel like defend. You can tell me what to defend when the same people them did over there drag and slaughter my daughter. Yo, 13 make me you good. I never want fit. Me no want disrespect you. I no want say nothing out of the way. So you know what? Make it stay to when time I art and I better play. You me tell you something, right? Nobody can tell me what to do, you know. Me no want Lorraine call me up. Me no want you call me up. Me no want nobody call me. Me no want nobody tell me nothing because me no feel kindly to the people them from over there because I them same one that sit down and support foolishness. I them same one that put cash up and put what you call it pretty screen and everything for my daughter being drugged. So why should I feel so compassionate? Of course I feel away for Sharon, but that is not my fight and I will not be coming out here to fight it because them did know what mark like they don't know. Listen, look here now. I'm me wrong. I shouldn't come over your place.
Valine, listen to me. Listen to me. I want you to listen to me carefully here. Yes. They did all what they did. But do you remember when I stand up for the right with you? You have a platform. And if you have a platform with your work that you do, and you are standing up for the right. If you are vengeance and coward, and let me tell you what I think, you personally is afraid because you know they use your daughter as backlash. And let me tell you something. I said what I said, Valine, and I will tell you again. You need to come out and take a stand and stand up for the right. Because this is the time, now is the time for you to stand up. You should stand up with this person, whatever what had happened. Find it in your heart to forgive. And you need to stand up. A lot of you bloggers run away because you're afraid. I didn't know you were a coward. I didn't know you were a coward, Valine. You need to stand up for the right. The right. All I am asking you, as a blogger, as a sister, stand up for the right. Say something. Because now it's time to let me think. Why can't you say something, Valine? Why can't you say something? Why all of a sudden you can't say nothing? What happened to your tongue all of a sudden? Why do you have no business in this? Now is the time for you to business. This is an open case. And I said what I said, Valine, and I'm going to stay what I said. I'm going to stand on my right. I'm very sorry. You need to come out and say something. You need to come out and say something.
I don't want to say how me feel and then play it, but me go play it. This is unusual for me. Me a coward. Me look like me afraid of no bitches out here, no girl, no boy. Me a coward. You see me a run from people. You see me a hide my location. Me look like me afraid of anything upon this to you. Because me nah go on like me nah have no right mind and me no think. Listen now. Coward for what? Because me feel like say. I turn on the... Yeah. All right. All right. All right. Thank you. Here. right. All right. Somebody else call me, yeah? Yeah. You call, I don't even know what happened to your call, girl. It has a reconnecting, yet it a ring. I don't know. You call back here. All right, listen to what I say. When you give me a chance, let me get this off my chest because me as a person like this, me not sleep with things. No, Mega said this, right? I hear 13 and I respect her and I respect her position and I also respect her opinion. Like I said, 13 is not my enemy. Me and 13 not at war. When I go see me come out here conquers 13 nor disrespect her, but me I go just voice my opinion because me find say sometimes it's better to voice what you have to voice and get it out the way and done. So there will never be another person who feel like they have to come back. Me never know who you are, say for black or whatever. But this is what I'm gonna say. 13, I hear what you said, and you're saying we must come out and stand up, right, sis? And I understand what you're trying to say, but me I go tell you this straight up. Why me not feel like me need to come out and stand up for nothing, or me need to talk about nothing. You hear me say? The same people that are donors on that platform, which are mostly grown, mature, older women, are the same sets of Jezebels that sat down and watched my daughter being dragged through the mud. Sat down and watched me being accused of holding my daughter's legs when she's 6 and 8 for man push big stuff in her. You sets of Jezebel did nothing. I am not... Hey, let me tell you about no granny. Listen, I am not sorry for one of you that lose $1 over there. She should have plucked out no 2 eye, drag the red stuff to the nose and pop off on the 2 ears. Me not sorry for none. I don't know. Because where you all see wrong, you never condemn the wrong. You all never said it was wrong. You all made it seem okay. You all justified bad behavior. A lot of you I saw commented there, and you never said it was wrong. You never condemn her. You never come off the live. You are the one that makes she get YouTube money for all of those lives where she dragged me and my family needlessly because I've never done the lady nothing to this day. I saw somebody post lady in the dark post a clip for me and somebody come talk about me cause woman Pitney. I dare you. I will give you no more than where the cash up missing. I can't find that nowhere. Nowhere. I have never cursed her children. Never cursed even her. Except for me when me tired of it and me come out here and talk my mind. What I'm to know? What happened to you? Where it come from? Are the same sets of Jezebel did over there? The people that want to collect money. The people that want to donate. And she, me not care about none of you. And what happened to you? Some of them want nobody call me out here for come answer to nothing or come talk nothing or come explain nothing or come say nothing to nothing. The whole of you are Satan. The whole of you are a demon. The whole of you are Jezebel. What happened to you? 13 me not afraid of no girl, no boy. Because none of them can jump in my face. None of you can step in my face and tell me nothing. None of you. Right? Me choose to talk about what me want to talk about. Me choose to defend what me want to defend. I'm more into defending children. The same big, whole grey. Listen, the same big old Jezebel them, the same big old salop them, the same big old dirty old derelicts, delusional, damaged, deranged demons them sat over there and watch it happen. And what did y'all do? Mr. Some big dirty woman, and yes, I'm calling y'all big and dirty. Some big dirty grandmothers, some big dirty grandmothers that are where what you call it, depends and stuff like that. People can't walk, people can't talk, people can't write, people can't nothing. Who over there talk about yes teacher and yes that and yes go. I don't come call me up, but we must defend nothing. Defend what? What must I defend? The same sets of devils? You must know, say, nobody not special. Anybody show love, anybody hug, anybody embrace, anybody will be kind, anybody will be nice, get box and kick and thump down. So what one did feel like that I got him to know? Wherever you say she named 13, wherever something other than never know a woman name, wherever she named, what make she think she did special? What make the other name where you did call me, remember the person name? What make that person think she did special? And the other person name where I call, what make them that think they're special? None of them not special. Damage people, damage other people, hurt other people. What I'm telling you, go ahead. A calm and reach, you know. A turn back blow. A tears and prayer. A prayer warrior tear on the down. A prayer we are use and beat, you know. You know, go soon bed and afraid. We're going to make you can't lie down when night come. We're going to make you afraid. We're going to use prayer and destroy, you know. When it was happening, if the lady come out and she do a live, and she just talk about, okay, me I pick some banana, 100 over there. She come out and she start drag down Lady V daughter, 500 sitting over there. Tell me who worse, she or Uno? Huh? The enabler is worse than the criminal. Everybody wants to say, okay, she this, she that, she third and third. I will not agree nor disagree. He who feels it knows it. I felt it, so I know it. But can I be mad at one individual? Me have to mad at all of them. It was the same set of people. Remember the teacher one that did run up in my phone and tell me a billion things. And when me see my daughter being destroyed, me see she coming. Me see big women that I respected and look up to and consider them to be decent people in better times. Me see the things where they're right. Me see people from over there come over here and pour out their heart and bleed out in front of me. Only when the stone lick on you know what it feel like. Only when the shoes go up on phone foot you know what it feel like. When she did that tear me down and I tear down my daughter, tear down my son, tear. Oh, who is this? Who is this? Hello, you're on the live. You're on the live. Me not put no phone on me ears. Nobody not tell no lie for me. No, this is what I'm saying. When she was doing all the nonsense and tearing me down, none of you send up me see me go up on November the 13th, 2023, when all of this overdone, buried, forgotten, signed, sealed, delivered, and washed away in the sin of forgetfulness. I watch me go to dinner for my birthday, and I watch this Lucifer, this Jezebel, this dragon, this menace. And none of you come out and control it. You all endorse it. Bloggers who not set a hypocrite. When you're ready, one day she come and brush somebody who not play it, who not never see it fit to condemn it. Who wanna come from? Who not come talk to? 13, you should even be the one to carry that message, come put on my foot, and you know some respect you. Me don't want nobody tell me nothing. Me not defending anything. You know why I'm going to say this? All the persons over there who donated are over the age of 18. I don't think no 17-year-old donated anything out there. So everybody who donated was mature, responsible adult. Hold on, mama. Don't move. Don't move. Mature, responsible adults. So they knew what was going on and know that it is wrong. I mean, I'll cut you off, so don't move. And at the end of the day, they didn't say anything. The people, them, what did I call it, didn't know say it wrong. The same sets alive were tear down a minor, a rape victim. My daughter is a rape victim. Hey, if that little pit is strong, and if my sister wasn't a prayer warrior, I wasn't a prayer warrior, Joan Martin wasn't a prayer warrior, and the other prayer warriors in this group, Ingrid Nugent wasn't a source of strength. TT wasn't a source of strength. Kingston 13 was not a source of strength. My child would have been dead. Done it right. Doctor done it right. Somebody tag her for me. And if I didn't have people like those, my child would have died. I would have sunk into depression and